Howdy y'all, this is K1Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by PickMe1977 entitled Pure Fun number 2. Here's the bidding on it. Let's get that string out of the way. It's the bidding on it. Not too extreme a bidding, but let's see what we can do here. As you can see, I have it picked open. Let's get her again, shall we? Shall we? Hold it off at 2 there, it felt like. The feeling in this lock is a little, I don't know, it's muted almost, it feels like. There's a nice solid click. A really nice default set now. Lost the falset. Oh. Lost the falset that time. Overset that one. Shoot. Yeah, really muted feeling on this lock. I'm not sure what the deal is with it, but I'm gonna go ahead and reset this thing. Let's see if we can get this a little bit better here this time. I think that fell off of one actually. I don't know what's holding me up here this time. And there we go. Whew, sweet. Nice little pick there. Let's go ahead and whip this guy open and see what we got inside, shall we? Alright. There we go. And zoom in a little bit for us as well. There we go. There's my wee tool. Where's my wee tool? There we go. Let's see if this works today. There we go. Huh. Oh, I rocked that thing a little too far. Shit. Oh boy. Huh. Well, we're gonna have to pull it out like this. Looks like in the reverse. Shoot. I'm getting it all jammed up in there. Number 5. Oops. 4, I should say. There we go. A huge springs, nice T-pin there. That was probably what was holding me up. Oop, that one went flying. Oh, huge springs too, man. Massive springs. Let me find that spring that fell down here real quick. That was a T-pin. Maybe it was a drunken spool. I am not sure. Anyway. Let's hear what we have up at the top. In the core, I mean. Oh, see how it's... Check that out right there. It's a little loosey-poosey up there. Huh. Arrange these guys here. A couple T-pins. Nice. So there we go. Let's zoom in a little bit for us. And this is what we have. We have serrations with the T-pin, serrations with a T-pin here as well. Great serrations, spool of serrations. And then on top, we have huge spool, a great T-pin here, another great T-pin, great T-pin, beautiful spool, and another awesome spool here with different springs all the way across the board. So this again comes to us from PickMe1977. This is entitled Pure Fun number 2. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.